771-7100. The paper delivered, or paper-based test, is different from the internet-based test in both structure and scoring. It is important to remember that this book is designed to help you study for the internet-based TOEFL test. All information on format and scoring applies to the IBT. As of October 2017, ETS is administering a new paper format test that is more in line with the TOEFL IBT test. The revised TOEFL paper-delivered test measures 3 skills using the same types of questions as on the TOEFL IBT test: reading, listening, and writing. More information for students about the test can be found at web links TOEFL RPDT About. How is the test scored? After finishing the TOEFL IBT, you will receive a score from 0 to 30 for each of the 4 sections and a total score on a 0 to 120 scale calculated by adding the 4 section scores. Each score corresponds to a percentile ranking. This number shows how your score compares with 1. Introduction 5 for help finding the right college for you. Go online to Princeton. Review. Com. The scores of other test takers. For example, a total score of 100 would put you in the 89th percentile, meaning that you scored higher than 89 out of 100 test takers, whereas a score of 50 would put you in the 26th percentile. The average TOEFL score is around 81. Notice that the 0 to 30 scores are scaled scores, meaning that the 0 to 30 number doesn't represent the number of questions you answered correctly or the number of points your essay was awarded. For example, the reading and listening sections contain roughly 35 to 55 questions each. You will get 1 point for each correct answer. Some reading section questions will be worth 2 points, but there is no penalty for incorrect answers. At the end of the section, your raw score, which represents the number of points you've earned, is tallied and converted to a number on the 0 to 30 scale. The writing and speaking sections are scored somewhat differently.